Let's do your next request. A new song by Prevail. I've not listened to that much Prevail before. I think the only song I really know by them is what is that song? What was that song called? Gasoline? Is it called Gasoline? Maybe I've listened to a bunch of their songs by requests on stream, but to be honest, don't really remember much of that either. And I think they did a very famous cover of a Taylor Swift song, Blank Space, and I think I've heard that at some point. A little bit of a spoiler here, heavier than ever I Prevail, so it's gonna be a heavy one, which is probably a good thing. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, I read about that. That's the clean singer, right? He left Prevail. So he's also not going to be in this song then? Which means just unclean vocals? I mean, with the spoilers of this being a heavy song, I mean, if your clean vocalist left the band, you're just left with a screamer. Of course it's gonna be a heavy song. But holy shit, yes, this is heavy. Yeah? Have they ever been this heavy before? I always thought they were like metalcore, you know, on the post-hardcore side. But this is almost moving closer to like deathcore. Alright. I was expecting a breakdown there, but right. Alright. Not really the ending I was expecting. Also a pretty short song. I like that. I'm gonna write this song down. I think this is I'm gonna go into my playlist. Another album, True Power. Is that an older album, or did they just release that album with this song on it? Because if it is, I should check out that album. But since their clean vocalist left, are they looking for a new clean vocalist, or are they gonna continue without clean vocals? Which I can't imagine, right? I mean, how are they gonna perform all of those songs with singing? I think that would be very difficult to continue without a clean vocalist. I mean, of course, We Came as Romans did it. Like when Kyle Pavone, their clean vocalist, died, they kept going with just the screamer Dave. But, you know, I guess they were lucky that Dave is also a very good singer, so he just kind of took over all of the vocals. He did that very well. They're going to continue without clean vocals. That's surprising, actually. Yeah. Curious to see where that will go then.